How to link a debit card on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily link a debit card to your Cash App account. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video. First thing first, open up your Cash App and make sure that you are logged into your account. And if you want to link any kind of debit card to your account, you first have to head over to the bank icon that you see at the bottom left, or if you have any kind of amount on your account, it will show you that amount on the bottom left corner. Just tap on it. And once you get here, you will have an option called Deposits and Transfers. You are just going to have to simply go ahead and tap on the linked accounts that you see at the bottom. Just tap on it and it will show you all of your linked accounts. So if you've previously linked any kind of accounts or cards, it will show up here. But if you haven't, you will have an option to link your debit card. Tap on Link Debit Card option on the plus icon, and then you're going to have to enter your debit card number. Once you have added the number, just enter the code to verify, and you should be able to link your debit card to your Cash App. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.